It's October, and with the start of a new month comes another top 5 Android apps that you need to be checking out. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Oh wait, before that, make sure to get subscribed and also drop a like to show your support. Once you're done, let's begin. First up, we have HypoCam, and if you ever craved for a dedicated black and white photo editor, well, look no further, cause I've got you covered. I'm literally blown away by the amount of customization available for a simple black and white picture. I'm not really going to go in detail with the editing features because I believe you can play around with it yourself. But the fun doesn't stop there. It also has an inbuilt camera application that allows you to click black and white pictures with pre-applying the filter so you have less work editing later. The app itself is sleek with minimal design, and just to let you know, there's no ads whatsoever. There's also the separate tab where the community posts their pictures along with a poem or an essay, which is fun to read sometimes if you're into such stuff. You also can add more filters and texture packs by buying them within the app itself. Next up, we have Attendance Manager, and trust me, if you're a college going student like me, this app will make a hell of a lot of difference between you having enough attendance to write your finals or not. You can add all your subjects and set goals to maintain attendance, so after every class you need to update it, and it also lets you know how many classes you can bunk. It also shows you how many classes you need to attend to have optimum attendance and so on. Trust me, this app is really useful. HypoCam is honestly one of the most underrated editors where you can get really cool looking retro edits, and honestly you should try it out at least once. Here's a pic of my friend, and you can see the final effect I managed to get using this app. The app has a typical Windows XP type UI with a 90s background music, which gives a completely different vibe. But I really found it disappointing that it had ads, which took away from the complete experience. Barring that, the app is a total joy to use. It's honestly one of the best apps that I've featured on the top apps video yet. Moving on to a gaming application called Joule. As the name suggests, it's a two-player based game, which is kinda hard to explain, but I guess after seeing us play, you'll get the picture. So basically we connect each other's phones through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and try to shoot down each other with our battleships, I guess. I don't know. But all I can say is that it's a great way to have fun with your buddy if you're bored. There's a free and a paid version, but I've given a free link to a paid version of the game below so you can check it out. HypoCam Wallpapers. This is exactly like the HypoCam editor and is made by the same developer, but except that it's a wallpaper application, mostly consisting of animes from the 90s and the retro style wallpapers. It's a weird mashup of many things put in one application. Like you can get GIFs, a punk name tag, like I don't know what were they thinking, make retro quotes, get ringtones. I know, I'm just in awe with this application, and you'll really have to check it out yourself to appreciate it. Links in the description right below the subscribe button, which surprisingly turns grey if you click on it. Whoa, try it out. With that cringy way of getting you to subscribe, I'm going to end this video. So stay tuned for more content from the channel. See you soon. This is Half-Life.